Hi guys, welcome to Global Macro Flow. So we're continuing our series how to trade stocks for Christians. Basically guidelines on helping people new to the financial markets and with Christian lingo sandwiched within. So today's topic is wait for your pitch. Think like a private equity investor. I saw an article earlier this month that private equity investors only invest in 1 to 2% of the investment opportunities they get in a year. Basically, private equity guys invest in stocks of companies that are not listed on stock exchanges, and they add value to these companies and later sell them, usually about after 5 years. So they sell either to other private buyers or they sell to stock market. So they take that company to a stock market and sell it to the public. So just a quick detour. Please remember that this series, How to Trade Stocks for Christians, is for people who want to trade stocks listed on stock exchanges around the world. So you guys are basically public equity, but we're talking about learning from private equity investors. Anyway, back to the article I saw. So that means if they get 800 investment opportunities a year, the private equity firm would invest in only about 8 to 16 of them for a whole year. You mean private equity guys with their fanciful offices and nice suits only make 8 to 16 investments a year? Yes. What? No way. It's true. So how do they make money? Well, just one good investment has the ability to double, triple, or even quadruple their investment in just 5 years. So imagine just doing 5 of such investments a year. Even if you lose out on 60% of your investments, the remaining 40% will more than make up for that. So what do they do with all their time? Well, they keep assessing investment opportunities that come their way. They select the ones that have the or that fit their investment criteria the most, and then what? They wait for the best opportunity to enter such investments. So that's the same approach I want you to have when trading financial markets. As my friend, well, Twitter friend JC Parets would say, wait for the perfect pitch. That's how working with God is. I remember the story of Isaac. Don't go down to Egypt. Stay where I tell you to stay. What? He must have thought, what? What are you saying, God? I thought everybody is going. What are you saying? Well, God said, stay where I tell you to stay. And then what happened? At the right time, he sold, Isaac sold. And what happened? 100-fold return. So that's how working with God is. You won't have to do everything. You won't even need to do everything. Or you don't need to do this program or that program because someone else is doing it. Just do what God says you should do. And His word will back you up. Similar approach to trading stocks. So the call to action today, a lot of investment opportunities will come your way when you are trading. You would even miss some that turned out to be successful and you want to kick yourself in the face. But don't despair. Why? Because in financial markets, another opportunity will come. Another opportunity that fits your investment criteria will come. So think like a private equity investor. Wait for your perfect pitch.